Hey guys, morning, and we're on the Middlebank again. So we're gonna go fishing, right? So we're here. It's early right now, just chilling. Just hanging out, waiting for the rest of the crew to arrive. We have our man Anthony up top, right there. So this is what we're going to do today. Gonna go fishing. I have my GoPro ready, my phone ready, and see you on the water. Man Anthony right here. Starting my YouTube channel early this morning, and that's camping right there.
Oh, you're not supposed to see me.
Hey bud, what's your name again, man? Nick. All right, this is Nick right here, and we're on the Middlebank right now, ready to head out. So, you know, the blackfish season started up. Porgy is here. Sea bass is here. And we're on the Middlebank, and we're gonna head out a couple hours from now. So I'll see you. All right. Peace out.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard the Middlebank as we get underway from the dock at Captain's Cove Seaport and begin navigating down the channel of Black Rock Harbor towards the waters of the Long Island Sound.
Yeah, we should have a trolling rod at the back there.